Hajj 2026. Pilgrims must carry Nusuk ID card to enter Mecca during Hajj 2026. The Nusuk ID card is now a mandatory document. The Masjid al-Haram, Grand Mosque, and the holy sites. Without it, entry will not be granted at any cost. This info is uploaded on theislamicinformation.com. This card is your primary key to accessing all holy sites and provides you with various facilities throughout your Hajj journey. It enables pilgrims to pass through checkpoints and utilize services within the Grand Mosque and surrounding sacred areas. You must keep this card with you at all times throughout the duration of your Hajj, from the moment of arrival until your departure. How to obtain your card? You can obtain your Nusuk ID card in two ways. Physical card. This will be delivered to you through your designated service provider. Digital card. This is available via the Nusuk app and the Tawakkalna app. Note, if you have not received your card yet, please contact your service provider. For any queries, please contact the Pilgrim Care Center. Inside Saudi Arabia 1366, outside Saudi Arabia 9966 92 2814. Don't delay. Secure your Nusuk ID card before your departure.
You must keep this card with yourself at all times during the entire Hajj period, from arrival to departure.
May Allah Almighty grant you ease in the Hajj rituals and bestow blessings beyond your intentions for Hajj, Umrah, and other rites. Ameen. Remember us in your prayers. Stay with us for Hajj 2026 updates.